In this lesson, we are going to add the two parallel extrude cuts you see in the front side and on the back side of the part. Let's go to the drawing views for the dimensions. You see we have a B dimension of 32, and in the right hand side view we have two dimensions, 21 and 42. And looking at the pictorial view, you'll see the extrude cut begins on this face here, and we want to cut this back into the part a distance of B, 32. So let's go to the SolidWorks screen and look at a couple options for doing this. I am going to start a new cut extrude. I'll select this face. Now there's a couple options we have here. We can draw a rectangle to the right here, dimension it, 21 from the center, extrude cut it into the part 32 millimeters deep, and then use the mirror command and mirror it to the opposite side. That's one option. Or we could create two separate rectangles, one here and another one here, and extrude cut both of those 32 deep. I'm going to show you a shortcut. I'm going to select center point rectangle and create the rectangle from the center point of the part. I will apply my two dimensions. The first dimension is 42. And the second dimension that I'm referring to is this dimension here. Now that dimension is not given on the part. However, I like to have my sketches fully defined. So I'm simply going to key in any number. Let's go with 75. And now I have a fully defined sketch. Let's go ahead and close out of the sketch. And notice the extrude cut feature wants to cut the inside of the rectangle back into the part. I'm going to begin by typing in my 32 distance here, just so you can see what it wants to cut. You may not be aware of this, but in the Property Manager we have an option for flip side to cut. So instead of cutting inside of the center point rectangle, we can cut to the outside. I'm going to go ahead and close out a cut extrude. And there we have our two parallel extruded cuts.